management consultant is to not allow heavy trucks, especially 12-wheeler trucks, which exceed the weight of 30 tons. So, ayun po. So, open, tuloy na po sa September 27 yung inauguration with President dahil na-confirm na din si Office of President na meron ng schedule si President na pumunta dito sa project.
Sir, bale, ang sa 27 inauguration ba, pero
wala 28, we can start opening because that's the meaning of inauguration. We will inaugurate and then the project will be serviceable. But there's minor works with that na hindi naman makaka-apekto sa daloy ng traffic. Ibig sabihin, mga minor works na outside naman dun sa daanan ng project. So, especially ang madidelay namin is yung lighting aesthetics. So, ihabol namin for Christmas. Siguro bago mag-Christmas, ihabol namin yung like a Christmas lights or aesthetic lights. And then, ngayon we are fast-tracking the street lights for all sites to put it on. So, for your information, for the information of the committee, Governor Uminal and Governor De Maporio is in Manila meeting with Undersecretary Sadain and then our boss, Director Teresita Bauson. They will finalize the memorandum of agreement for the electrical supply. So, conventional yung electric natin, it will be supplied by the MOLSI and then the LANECO. So, ngayon, they will finalize it and then kasi ang magpo-provide nung bayad sa kuryente is provincial of the Misamis Occidental and then the Lanao. So, yun sir.
thank you, sir. Are there any other